Yo, back at it one more time. This is an interesting story. I'm gonna give you the story first before I unbox it. I have two boxes, same shoe. So this shoe drops on October 20th. Of course, they had you on the Adidas website in the waiting room. I struck out, wasn't able to cop. So then this shoe restocked again on the 21st. I copped it. And no tracking. Usually they'll ship it within the next 2-3 days. Again, this was October 21st. No shipping information, nothing. And I call Adidas. They say, hey, this shoe, it possibly been a glitch. For that shoe, they don't think it was supposed to restock the next day because they were doing official restock again that Friday. So I was under the impression that the order was going to get canceled. That's what they led me to believe because they never got any feedback back from the shipping department about this order. So Friday come, this past Friday, the 26th, 27th, whatever, I purchased the shoe again, because the hold has been removed off my card for the previous order. So I went ahead and ordered another pair. Maybe these will come since this is the official restock. Cool. Ordered it Friday. Sunday comes. I check my email. Both shoes shipped. And then they recharged me again for the other pair. So now I have two pair. So let's get to it. I just wanted to get that out the way. I'm going to go ahead and open both of them. So you guys bear with me. I'm going to fast forward this so the next time you see me, I'll have both boxes open. Okay, I just opened one. You know what, I'm going to do something different. I just thought about it as I was unboxing this first shoe. I'm going to do this on YouTube like I normally do. I think I'm going to do the unboxing for the other one live on IG Live. I never used IG Live before. I'm going to try that out. So we'll see. But yep, here it is. See it in the description. BBC Hue NMD. Like I said, I got two of them. I'll probably take one back to Adidas. I don't want two pair of them. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are nice. Yeah, I rocks these. I rocks with these. Pharrell, BBC, NMD collab. This one says mind. Let's see what the other one says. This one says here. So this is here and mind, if you can see those. Dope pickup. I like this shoe. I already have the other NMD. I'm trying to step my NMD game up and get it right to where I want it to be. But I like these. I like this color blocking. I'm gonna go try to find an NMD shirt or something to rock with these. But yeah, I'm gonna swag these out. Ain't no doubt about that. And as you can see on the back, it has the BBC logo and then the Adidas logo. The extra set of laces, which is yellow. I might do the yellow laces. Blue laces would have been hard too, or red. But I might go with the yellow laces. I think the yellow laces will make it stand out. But overall, dope shoe. Honestly, I'd be scared to unlace this shoe, because I'm trying to look and see how they lace this shoe. But I'm going to go ahead and go for it, man, because I like this shoe. This is dope. I can't wait to rock these. Right now, it's like raining and muddy here in the city. I will not wear these when it's raining. That will not happen. But I will be wearing these soon. Dope shoe. If you like the